Hi dear traders! The prospect of changes in the Fed's monetary policy is still haunting financial markets. Business activity in the US accelerated to an 11-month high in April, thus easing fears of a looming recession. At the same time, the US Central Bank may take this data as a signal to raise rates further in order to bring inflation down to 2%. Amid this background, the US dollar should be strengthening across the board. However, the US dollar index, which measures its value against the basket of 6 major currencies, is trading sideways. It closed last week with a gain of just 0.14% above the opening level. Still, this is a good result given that for the past 5 weeks the greenback had been trading with losses. Currently, investors prefer to buy the euro, and the euro-dollar pair is trading close to the yearly high reached on April 14th. Traders added more long positions on the euro as they were encouraged by the European Central Bank that hinted it was going to maintain its aggressive monetary policy. Market participants expect the regulator to raise the rate at least 2 more times, with the pace of either 25 or 50 basis points. Meanwhile, the British pound is trading at its highest levels against the US dollar, even despite mixed economic data coming from the UK. The UK economy is still struggling with high inflation and a drop in retail sales. At the same time, GDP shows some growth, indicating that the UK economy has a chance to avoid a recession. The pound-dollar pair closed last week near the 10-month high of 1.2440. Investors are betting on another rate hike of 25 basis points by the Bank of England and expect it to reach 4.9% by September. In the meantime, the Bank of Japan is not going to take any aggressive steps in the near future. Unlike other major central banks, the Japanese regulator sticks to its dovish monetary policy and keeps the rate in the negative zone at minus 0.10% to support businesses amid high inflation. As a result, it has almost reached the central bank's target of 3% and is currently at the lowest level among all developed economies. The demand for the yen is somewhat subdued, although without any strong sell-offs. The yen stays afloat thanks to its status as a safe haven asset and benefits from the weakening US dollar. In the commodities market, gold traders faced some sharp fluctuations. The price of the precious metal dropped from a 13-month high of $2,040 to $1,980 per troy ounce. Such a decline could be caused by speculation about another round of rate hikes by central banks. Higher interest rates make gold more expensive to hold, which is why the demand for the yellow metal declines. Notably, the oil market has also been affected by speculation regarding interest rates. Their potential increase has dampened optimism brought by the OPEC Plus announcement about upcoming output cuts. So Brent crude is again trading near $81 per barrel. These are the trends of the last trading week. Do not miss our daily news reports and weekly reviews to be always in touch with the latest events. See you!